Hi, welcome to Chanel Noack Sola. Renault is excited to announce the world premiere of the Megane RS Trophy Special Edition at the Tokyo Auto Salon in January 2023. This limited edition version of the popular Megane RS is rumored to be the final iteration of the model, as it is expected to end production in 2023. The Megane RS Trophy is expected to feature cosmetic modifications and will be powered by a 1.8-liter turbocharged gasoline engine producing 296 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. It is rumored to be named the Megane RS Ultime, reflecting its status as the final competition for the Volkswagen Golf GTI. The Tokyo Auto Salon will take place from the 13th to 15th of January at the Makuhari Messe Convention Center. The production of the Megane RS Ultime will be restricted, and it is expected to have a price tag greater than €50,000 in France. In the future, Renault plans to phase out the internal combustion engine versions of the Megane, selling only the Megane E-Tech electric crossover. This marks the end of an era for the Megane lineup, which has been popular with European consumers since its initial release in 1995. Other car manufacturers, such as Ford and Stellantis, are also expected to shift towards electric vehicles in Europe in the coming years. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history and get your hands on the Megane RS Ultime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.